Hi and welcome to ECCB Connects, a program produced by the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank to share with you who we are, what we do, and how we serve you. Small business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs in Anguilla have acquired valuable information and skills to manage and grow their businesses after attending the ECCB's Micro Business Simulation Workshop. We share the exciting details with you after this message.
Register and secure your spot at the 8th Annual Growth and Resilience Dialogue. Explore new emerging trends and accelerate your learning. Dynamic leaders will take you on a deep dive into 2 master classes covering design thinking, a creative approach to problem solving, and strategies for successful business innovation in the Caribbean. Panel discussants will engage you on how to nurture a culture of innovation that leads to disruptive new products and services. And that's not all. Live AI demonstrations in healthcare, agriculture, education, finance, and the creative arts will take you to a higher level. Learn from Caribbean entrepreneurs and creatives on breaking through barriers to make it on the international stage.
As a region, we cannot change our history and we cannot change our geography. But together, we can elevate our development trajectory through innovation and collective action. Let's do it.
Online attendees will also have an opportunity to win an early bird registration prize valued at $2,700 EC if their registration is received on or before the 30th of March 2024. Visit the ECCB's 8th Growth and Resilience Dialogue webpage to register and secure your spot today.
Thanks for staying connected. 16 small business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs in Anguilla have gained valuable information and the skills to manage and grow their businesses after attending the ECCB's Micro Business Simulation Workshop, which was held from the 20th to the 21st of February. The Micro Business Simulation Workshop is designed for owners of or individuals planning to start a micro, small, or medium business. It uses the Get to Know Your Numbers simulation tool, which was developed by one of the ECCB's development partners, the Savings Banks Foundation for International Cooperation. This interactive workshop takes the form of a game where the participants simulate the running of a business, a juice store, including procuring raw materials, dealing with real-life challenges, record keeping, and handling basic business accounting.
We paid out $20 over for pineapples, but we also decided that we were going to go with a low forecast for oranges at $250 because we done salt last time. So $250 plus 90 because with the profit, what we do with the profit? We probably move that just into cash. One week we more customers and one week going to bring profit. So you put me between a rock and a hard place.
It uses the Do, Reflect, Apply approach, which involves business simulation, feedback and coaching, know-how sessions, and application of concepts. Director of the Corporate Relations Department at the ECCB, Shermalon Kirby, facilitated the 2-day workshop, which had the following objectives: to understand entrepreneurial thinking and acting and apply it throughout the simulation, to identify challenges and opportunities of micro-enterprises and how to act on them, to understand the basic accounting and controlling principles and apply simple financial tools, to develop a deeper customer understanding and basic marketing knowledge, and to recognize market dynamics and competition.
You were able to get your books balanced. We got the juice in a few minutes to get their books balanced, but I think they will be okay. So round of applause for those of you who got your books balanced. After a lot of stress, yes, but I'm hoping that you're grabbing the concept.
Yes.
Right? I know you're not the only group. People are always mixing up sales forecast with the revenue. Remember remember the number you do for your sales forecast. It's like we said yesterday, you are thinking and you are planning about how many people you might have to serve, but you will not necessarily get them. It could be higher, it could be lower, it could be just the number you think you would get. As a small business, you may not have to go through this, you may not have as many people, but it's a decision you would have to go through in your head. Do I do A? One side, left side saying, yeah, A. Side B saying, right side saying, no, B. And okay. And then you have to come to a decision. Which one is better for the business?
The simulation tool is based on the discovery-based learning principle that individuals learn best through action. Hence, the concepts of the workshop were imparted through the decision-making, discussions, and debriefing conversations which the participants engaged in during sessions. The guest facilitators were Rosanna Fleming of the Anguilla Social Security Board, who focused on empowering small businesses through Social Security.
The employer is really supposed to deduct from the employee's wages and match it and pay it into Social Security on the employee's behalf. Why Social Security matters for small businesses? Social Security, as I just said, it provides a safety net. We are considered the only social safety net that Anguilla has.
Clemvia Hodge, manager of What We Do in Anguilla, and he discussed using technology to grow your business.
Now today, for as low as $1 a day, you can go on Facebook and you can run targeted ads that are targeted to, let's say, 40-year-old women in New York who have 3 children, and they like soccer. That's how deep you can go into your targeting without having to spend as much money.
And Zulika Fraser, CEO of Fraser Consulting, who facilitated the session on understanding financial statements.
All this activity that happens on the balance sheet and the profit and loss meet here on this cash flow statement. Because while the balance sheet is recording your assets, liabilities, and calculating your owner's equity, this and your profit and loss is telling you what you made and what you spent. This is telling you a whole picture of, oh, okay, they made this was based on operations, this is what it cost.
Some of the participants, including several students, shared their experiences having completed the training.
I learned about cooperation for sure, and what I liked most about this workshop was how the game taught us things as we went along. It's definitely better since you're actually doing it. It's gonna stick in your memory rather than just looking at a presentation or reading off a slide. I was an auditor and I enjoyed my role. It gave me leadership skills and it was very fun working with everybody and learning about different businesses.
What I gained from it is that for sure you need forecasting, you need to know who are your suppliers, and many of us, we start a business and we just concerned about making money in the business, and I realized from the workshop that it's not just about making the money, it's about making profit. And it was fun learning. We were working as a team. We had our auditors, we had our cashiers, we even had our business. The name of our business was Refresh Juice Bar.
It's a great experience as a young entrepreneur, not yet, but soon. It opened up my mind about what to do, what not to do.
Very entertaining, How the format was built, it was built exactly like a business, but with Monopoly-like features. I had a wonderful time with the cooperation of my teammates, I would say, as a role as the accountant, it has, revealed some things to me, emphasis on the reveal. I would say, each decision did matter, and I would say I would do this again if it does come back.
It made me think a whole lot in terms of where I'm going with my business, especially with the way that competition is right now. It made me think about the fact that I really do need to manage my finances a lot more so that I can have the information readily available should the need arise. And the need will always arise. And you know, it just made me think generally and holistically about my business and where I'm going to go from here.
The ECCB has also conducted this training in Antigua and Barbuda, Grenada, Montserrat, and St. Christopher and Nevis.
We are counting down to the end of season 24 of ECCB Connects, with the final episode of this season airing on 27th March. We'll be back in May 2024 with fresh and informative programs to continue sharing with you who we are, what we do, and how we serve you. In the meantime, stay connected with us on all our social media platforms at ECCB Connects.
That brings us to the end of another episode of ECCB Connects. Thank you for watching. We hope that you found it to be quite informative. Do connect with us again next week for another program to share with you who we are, what we do, and how we serve you.